OpenAI has drama, Google has scale, XAI has chaos. But Anthropic, my friends, Anthropic just taught its AI to start to dream. Not metaphorically, literally. Anthropic has launched something called Dreaming inside Claude managed agents, where Claude now revisits past conversations while you are away, finds patterns across sessions, cleans up the memories, remembers the mistakes, and improves itself automatically over time. Wow, this is actually starting to look like an AI system developing long-term memory and reflection. And to be honest, this may actually become one of the most important AI announcements of the year. Here's actually what Anthropic has built. Claude now runs asynchronous background jobs called dreams, meaning while you're gone, the AI goes back through old sessions and memory stores, searching for patterns. Anthropic describes it almost like human sleep. Humans sleep to process memories, some good, some bad. That's another discussion. Claude now does something similar. It reorganizes memories, removes stale information, finds recurring behaviors, and builds higher quality long-term memory structures, which changes everything. Because most AI systems today only remember inside one conversation window. Anthropic is trying to create continuity across time. And I feel this is where it starts to get fascinating. A single dream can process transcripts from up to 100 previous sessions simultaneously. Claude reviews them, extracts patterns, detects recurring mistakes, and identifies workflow agents repeatedly. And of course, then converges toward, instead of overwriting memory, it creates separate curated memory layer. Developers can inspect before accepting changes, which I feel is quite significant because Anthropic knows memory corruption is quite dangerous. So developers stay in control. You can let Claude autonomously update memory or require human approval first. And of course, Anthropic says the system also prunes what it calls memory rot, which is duplicates, contradictions, outdated context, basically the same way humans forget irrelevant information over time. This is actually starting to resemble cognitive architecture, don't you think so? Anyway, moving on. Now for the macro view, Anthropic openly says dreaming is designed to help agents improve automatically over time, which is of course a very different category of software. Until now, let me just take you through that little landscape. Most AI systems only became better when the model provider updated the model itself. But now, Anthropic is effectively saying, what if the agent improves from experience between sessions without retraining the foundation model, which actually I feel changes the economics of AI deployment completely. Because the AI agent slowly becomes specialized around your workflows and your team, tools, your habits, and more importantly, your organization. Anthropic shared one example that should make every enterprise pay a lot of attention. Legal AI startup Harvey used dreaming inside long-form legal drafting workflows. Yeah, well, quite significant there. Claude agents began remembering file type, workarounds, tool-specific patterns, workflow optimizations across multiple legal sessions. You're wondering about the result? Here it is. The task completion rates increased nearly 6 times. Not 10%, not incremental productivity. This, my friends, is a 6-time jump. And Anthropic didn't stop just there. Alongside dreaming, they also launched something called outcomes. This lets developers define what's good looks like, and then Claude evaluates its own work against that rubric. If the answer is weak, the system retries automatically, meaning Claude is now starting to remember, reflect, self-grade, self-correct, and improve iteratively. That is, of course, dangerously close to autonomous cognitive loops. And yes, the AI industry is moving much faster than most people realize. Anthropic also introduced multi-agent orchestration, which means one lead agent can now break work into smaller tasks, delegate them to specialized sub-agents, and coordinate everything in parallel. One AI investigating logs, another analyzing the matrix, and the third one reviewing documents. And of course, let's not forget about the fourth guy because he's generating the reports. All are remembering context persistently across workflows. And here, of course, is the front page take. I feel this is the most important point. Every major AI company is now converging toward the same thing, which is persistent agents. Agents that can remember, improve, coordinate, adapt, and eventually operate continuously in the background. Anthropic's dreaming announcement is important because it openly acknowledges something the industry knows. Memory is now becoming the next frontier in AI. The craziest part? Anthropic literally described this process as dreaming. And for the first time, that word may actually make technical sense. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.